Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and this video is going to be pretty interesting because my car just turned stage 2, meaning I put on the new downpipe that I put up a poll some time ago whether I asked should I already put my downpipe on, yes or no, because yeah, the new turbo is gonna, I don't know how long it will take. And also there's gonna be some times where I go with vacation for 3 weeks, so I'm not sure if the turbo will be before that or after that. Maybe it will arrive before that, but I probably will not be putting on the new turbo before I'm on a vacation, because I'm gonna use my car to go on vacation. So I want it to be reliable as it is right now, and I don't want to do anything new to it, so it will probably be after that. But now, since yesterday, my car is stage 2, so that means there's the new downpipe is on, the downpipe with the sportcat 200 cells, and yeah, pretty nice. So I'm gonna make some clips about the sound, if the sound is gonna get any better. Now the exhaust setup I have right now is the downpipe with the 200 cell cat, single cat, because the stock downpipe has 2 cats. Now there's only one 200 cell cat. And yeah, the middle resonator is still in place, still intact. I'm not planning on removing that, maybe for the future, but not as of now. And the stock Golf GTE rear muffler is on, so I'm gonna make some quick tests with the sound. Okay, now let's second gear 50. Oh, there's definitely some wheel spin. Oh, it's torquey. But it already was torquey, but yeah, it definitely feels a bit faster on the throttle. It responds, it already responded very fast because of the electric motor, but I really feel that yeah, it really yeah, small improvements. I feel a big difference? No, not really. Was that expected? No, let's share. Third gear. Well, it does feel very, very good. Very nice. Yeah, it's pretty quick. Especially for a 1.4, well, 1.4 hybrid. It's not really fair to call this a 1.4. Okay, we do kick down. Yeah, it's definitely quick, definitely. I really feel that the car, if you put it in manual, it definitely shifts a lot firmer and sportier than if you're just gonna leave it in automatic. I'm gonna put the camera on the back and see if there's some sound difference. So guys, what do you think of that? Is that an improvement? I think there's quite a nice little fart coming off the exhaust that really was not there before. So yeah, what do you think of it? There are obviously more videos coming about the new setup. I will do some acceleration videos, 0 to 100, maybe 100 to 200, and yeah, obviously more content coming up. So if you have any questions, comments, feel free to comment down below. Please like, subscribe, I would really appreciate it. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video, so stay tuned.